and welcome to Rodriguez Family Reviews. Today we are making fudge from a homemade recipe. You need 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk and 3 cups of chocolate chips. I only have 2 cups of chocolate chips, so we're only going to use about 1/3 of the milk.
You're going to take out 1/3 of the milk.
So we're going to take out 1/3 of the milk.
Okay, so take out 1/3 and put it aside.
Put the can into the bowl. So now I'm going to put them into the bowl. So once the chocolate chips are into the bowl, we gotta mix it up. When it's all mixed, I'm going to put it into the microwave for 1 minute and come back and mix it. Add the foil so that I can pull the fudge right out when it's done. Put it in the microwave so we are mixing it. It's getting harder to mix. We have to put it in the pan now. Put it into the pan.
Alright, what do you do next?
But that I only have 2 cups and not 3 cups of chocolate. We decided to put some chocolate on top, so we're going to sprinkle it on top, and then we're going to put it in the fridge. Alright, so that's all set, and I'll see you in 2 hours. Bye!